Since the previous installment of our Pong Project series, I've finally received all the necessary materials for the prototype. The centerpiece of our prototype is the Raspberry Pi, and what you're seeing here is a Raspberry Pi 4 boasting a robust 8GB of RAM. While 8GB might be a bit of an overkill for this particular project, I've opted for this configuration to keep my options open for future projects. Now let's take a closer look at our current setup. Firstly, we've inserted a 32GB micro SD card. We've connected a 5V power supply via a USB-C cable. I'm using my trusty 10-year-old Razer Death Adder, which is plugged into one of the USB ports. Right next to it, my wireless Microsoft keyboard is also plugged in. To complete the setup, we've utilized a micro HDMI to HDMI cable to connect to a monitor. Setting everything up was pretty painless and only took about an hour. Much of that hour was spent waiting on first-time installation of the OS. Afterward, I got sucked into this pre-installed soccer minigame for about 30 minutes. Looking ahead, the next step in this project will involve the assembly of a basic prototype. I already have all the required materials and a rough sketch in place. The only thing left to do is the hands-on work of putting it all together. In our next update, you can expect to see the project start to take some shape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.